4.1 is going to focus primarily on the market economy. So the introductory page kind of goes over all of the economic systems: market, command, traditional, gives you the economic goals. All of those are extremely important and you need to know those. On this one, we're just going to talk primarily about the market economy, which is what we have here in the United States. And then having said that, we really have what's called a capitalist system, sometimes referred to as a free market economy. All of this revolves around this idea of owning private property and freedom being the essential economic goal that we have here in the United States. So still, once again, the same economic standards. The ICANN statements were on the introduction sheet, so that one ICANN statement is for the whole entire Unit 4. These questions here go along with my video here, and then also the 7 characteristics. This video is extremely important. Well, both of them are. This has some repeats from the first, but goes into a little more detail. This one is really important, so make sure that you're taking notes on this and focusing on the private property, promoting this idea of protection of private property, and that's one of the primary functions of our government. And focus on something that's guaranteed in the Constitution, Article 1, Section 8, this idea of copyrights and patents. So make sure you take some time looking at those. There's a handout here that goes along with this Hunger Games, pretty interesting. And then the myths of capitalism. So you're going to see test questions and quiz questions from these right here. If you're still having difficulties understanding private property and property rights and things like that, here's a couple of additional videos that you can watch. I'm not taking any test questions per se from there, but it's just a better understanding of one of the principles here, and that's this idea of protecting private property rights. Here's a iCivics handout that explains, this is reading, so if you need some additional information there. So that is the market economy and the capitalist system that we have here. You're going to be revisiting Adam Smith, the invisible hand, and we'll do some stuff with that in class.